So there are two things. First, we have a standard syntax which we have to write. Create database. What database name you want? Any name. So let's see. Our
Yeah.
database is Priya Data Analytics. Analytics. Okay. Priya Data Analytics. So we have successfully created and I can execute here. So you can see the command successfully used. And now if I check my database here, so Priya Database Analytics, and now this is a one option. Another one, how can we create? So what is the mean here? We have to click here, we have to right click here. Am I right? Or make a
Yes.
new database. What a new database? Let's see. Any database we want? The database name. Database name.
Yes.
We want learn data analytics. Am I right?
Right.
So let's see later everything going to here default, and I can here click on OK. So now we have a two database. So what is the second option? We can write directly create database, or second is a database. We have to right click on database and then we can go to new and then we have to create. So if I how to use now, because we created database, then we have to understand how to be used. Let's see use and what is database? This created database Priya.
Yeah.
So what is the mean here? Command complete successfully. Am I right? So it means already done. And secondly, I tell you if I want to use another one, that one I want to show you this one. Learn data analytics. Let's see.